Good morning, my loves. It's a beautiful day, and I'm feeling so refreshed. The plan for the day is to keep it simple, cozy, and cute. It's my husband singing, and just like the way I like it, and I just love it when it's just simple. Let's start by freshening up because I have a lot of things, little things to do today, and I wanted to share that with you. Skincare mornings are my favorite. There's something so calming about, taking a few moments to pamper yourself. I always use gentle products to cleanse and hydrate my skin. I'm going to take a mini session of self-love, and while applying my moisturizer and wash. I'll use this salicylic acid daily. I'll take this much in my need Craft Repair Barrier Serum. I've been using it for the past 1 year, and before this I used to have like a lot of acne breakouts, and my skin was not that nice. In fact, like I have a very sensitive skin, so no matter what, where I go, if my skin, no matter what I do, my skin used to have a lot of breakouts, but now my skin does not have any breakouts, and you can see it's just so clean, and I love this skin craft product. It's a little moment, and then I moisturize my skin. Serum. It is the facial bright side serum, very nice for the skin. My SPF, I love it because it's like really very light on the skin. No makeup time for me because first thing in the morning I don't like to put any makeup on my skin. I tend to put makeup only like during the evening hours. So I'm going to be like making some nice chicken now. I'm going to make it in this t-shirt only because what's the point of changing this t-shirt before cooking? So before I always cook, I make sure that the space is like cleansed. So I light a diya. It's very simple. Just put a little kapoor and some elaichi and then just light it because that kind of like changes the vibe of the space. And kitchen is the most auspicious space where you cook, right? So this place really needs to be cleansed, and the vibe it has is very important. So I make sure that I cleanse this place before I start cooking. And I have to make, yeah, I quickly went and I changed my outfit also. I did not want to wear what I was wearing. It's very important you wear something comfortable and what you like, especially during the holiday season or like the December month. This is the end of the year, so there's no need to compromise. I'm wearing this thing, and then inside I'm wearing a crop top, which is brown in color. Yeah, and I put a little makeup also, if you can see. Just put a little bit of lip gloss and a little lipstick, so you can see. And then a little kajal, and a little mascara, and a little foundational base, and a little blush. That's what I do for my makeup look. You can see it's very simple. I do not do much. This is like my look that I have, and yeah, when you look good, you feel good, and then it's nice. So I've been like thinking of giving a makeover to this place as well because this is my kitchen, and I kind of spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and I thought I'll put some ribbons and stuff in the kitchen. So I'm thinking of buying some bows and all for the kitchen. And I also feel this nail paint color is absolutely gorgeous. I did not know it's that nice. I didn't know it's that nice. I mean, first time I put it, I was like, I was not sure about whether I really want to put this or not. But then I thought, let's just try it. And then once I tried it, I don't know, I kind of started feeling really good about it. And then I had a plan to actually go and get my nail extension done. Yeah, like that was the thing I wanted for my holiday season, actually for Christmas. But then I've been in absolute love with this color, so I'm not really sure whether I'll actually go and get my nails done because now that I like it so much, when this will not be there, I think I'll miss it. So till the time I'm kind of obsessed. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm waiting for my chicken to be soft. So while I have to cook here, I thought, okay, I really need to have a good vibe. So I got my laptop. I'll put it here and like play some nice music so that the Christmassy vibe is on. I love those Christmas carols playing in the background while I'm working because I, even though I'm Hindu, but I'm obsessed. Christmas. I went to missionary school actually, so I'm kind of like connected with the Christmas thing on a religious point of view as well. We celebrate like everything. I mean, we celebrate Christmas and Eid, of course, Diwali, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Ganesh Puja, Hanuman Jayanti, and Shivji Puja. So I'm very spiritual. So the whole year I'm vibing with like so many different pujas going on. So it's not like the only festival for which I look forward to. But yeah, I mean, this is just a good vibe. I mean, the vibe is amazing, and of course, I love Jesus too. So, and from a religious point of view as well, it's amazing because Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Gabriel, they all have been so kind to me and they are so awesome. They're always connected, and I think Jesus also blesses me, so I'm kind of like very big fan. And I'm fan of Durga Ma, Shivji, Kali Ma, and Ganesh Ji. So I do it from a spiritual space as well. Also
Power
with the
on.
Bible.
Bluetooth mode.
Meet this little baby. She's Zora. She's a new addition to our family. She's so adorable. Oh, she's so cute. You see her face? She's too cute. Zora. Say hi. 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 Everybody loves Zora. Zora is the cutest. And then we have Lara also. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. 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 Merry Christmas. Happy December. Oh. I absolutely love the vibe of this place, you see. I want to create something like this. Sometime, if not this time, maybe sometime. So cute. Love it. Wow. So now I'm cutting the onions and I've washed the chicken. Finally. There's something really very comforting about cooking in your own kitchen. Cooking chicken in your own kitchen. So I thought of like showing you the recipe that I'm making today. So for this chicken recipe, what you'd require is 6 onions. Yeah, 5 to 6 onions, and then just chop it off. Then we'll take this big karai, this one, and then we'll cook it in this. I'll show you. Till then I just have to cut the. It's already very late. It's 4 o'clock today, and have not had lunch yet. Our house help has gone, and mornings have been like very busy. And my cat, you can see this one, Sweetie. She's being so naughty. She wants the chicken so bad. She'll do anything to take it. I'm telling her not to take it, but she's not giving up. Second done. I play this cozy winter vibe music. It's just giving such a peaceful feel. There's something about this decor, the red decor with like green, so pretty, so calming. I made myself some rose tea that I'm having. It's gone very thanda now, but it still tastes nice. I also wanted to do some openings today. Openings as in like I've ordered some stuff and I wanted to show you what I've got. One more onion. I have ordered this thing from Amazon. It will come soon. It is basically for chopping these onions. It's such a lifesaver. You just have to put the onions and it's done. I had it but I've lost it now, so I have to do it myself. I hate cutting onions. It's the worst thing. I don't think anybody likes to cut onions. So painful, but it's so important to do this thing, as this cannot be skipped for the taste. And then with this I'll make some rice and brown rice. This is my fifth onion. The more the onion, the tastier it will get, because we are not going to add any water. No water. But my husband likes it juicy, like soupy. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to add. When I add a lot of water because he likes the soupy feel of it. My brother also really likes it. Just see how she's waiting. What do you want, babe? But I have chicken. After so many days, I worked out today, and I'm like so proud of myself that I did. But once you stop working out, it just becomes so. It gets really tough. But once you do it, it's so good. I want to keep up on these good things of exercising and stuff. I mean, I used to work out a lot. I was always like the healthy person, walking, running, exercising, doing all sorts of good activities, you know. But lately, for the past 6 to 8 months, I stopped like completely. This pants I'm wearing is like very comfortable. What this? This place is kind of just adding this here. Nice, right? So let's add the oil. So I'm going to add mustard oil. Then I'll add 2 elaichis. Add a little jeera. Add ginger garlic paste. This much. You have to move. After putting this in oil, always have to move because it's like quite scary. I like the vibe in my kitchen. It's fun. I'm having so much fun making chicken. Now I'm going to add the onions. So this is a very special type of chicken that I have learned, and the taste is always so good. You just have to add the onions and then give it a nice mix. भूनना होगा इसको अब. भूने अच्छे से. अच्छे से भूनना है. इसको कुछ टाइम ढक के पका लेंगे हम. It's so nice. Show you the chicken is been cooked. It's feeling pretty good. So I first mix the onions and then I put the chicken. Now I put the tomatoes and I'm going to put. Now first I'll saute it. Then I'll add some masalas, and you can see it'll cook in its own flavor. I'm going to add some masala. Salt. Little haldi. Then I'll add coriander powder, little garam masala, little mirchi powder, a bit more salt. Making some tea because my husband wants to have some tea and the chicken is still not ready, and we are very hungry. We have not eaten anything, so that's why. Let's just have some tea. Tea is ready. And some sugar. Since morning, I have not eaten anything. Just had a cup of very tasty coffee, and that's it. Yeah, I think I had 2 breads. Yeah. So I got 2 cups of tea. Since I'm not. Wow. Huh. Wow. The view outside is also so wow. है ना? कितना सुंदर व्यू आ रहा है. बाहर जाके. Wow, so pretty. So pretty. So beautiful. So this is such a beautiful sunset that I can see from my balcony, and it is so absolutely nice. I love it. December is already feeling so magical. Look at the moon, it's so pretty. I love this place and the vibe. Oh my god, I made tea and I'm gonna have tea with my husband.
Good girl. Oh, such a good girl.
How's the chicken?
Oh, yum. Yum, 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 yum.
How is it?
Very tasty.
How tasty?
Very good too.
Ah, it feels so good once you make something and then everybody likes it, like my little brother and my husband. Huh?
I thought you liked your chicken.
Husband, you're not happy?
Hey, babe. Very tasty chicken. Very tasty chicken.
हाँ वो नहीं अपना स्कूल का स्वेटर मफलर
सामने जो था
अरे वो पकड़ने वाला हैंडल तो है
कहाँ? अच्छा, इससे थोड़ी उठेगा.
उठ जाएगा बट
बहुत हैप्पी.
इतना सोच नहीं पाया था इतना भी गलत करो नेटिव का
ये खाओ ना प्लीज.
ये टीवी हमारे साथ कितने सालों से है पता है फर्स्ट टाइम जब आए थे दिल्ली तब से है ये इट्स बीन लाइक 25 years